Good morning, Goenkans. Hope you're doing well. So today we'll be revising the new change, that is periodic and non-periodic change from your science textbook, chapter number 6, page number 48. The Goenkans, as we have already discussed different types of chains in the previous sessions, and today we'll be discussing about the periodic and non-periodic change and reversible and irreversible change, right? So as the name suggests, periodic chains are those chains basically which happens over and again as per the their time. They are having a fixed interval of time and then they happen. Say for example, formation of a day at night, it's a kind of a periodic change. There is a particular time for it and then it eventually happens. So such changes which happen over a period of time, that we consider as a periodic change. Like we have got the beating of a heart, or sometimes we can say about this change of the seasons, change of the weather, and more importantly then the formation of a year, etc. These are some changes which happen over a period of time. So such changes which take time, a particular fixed interval of time, are considered as a periodic change. Fine. Next to that is a non-periodic change. As the name suggests and gives us an idea, it is something that happens spontaneously. There is no fixed interval, there is no fixed time, there is no fixed duration. It happens spontaneously, like eruption of what you call that, a volcano, or sometimes earthquake, god forbid, or such chains which are untimely, which happen without any kind of an interval. They are considered as a non-periodic change. Fine. Now the very important is about the reversible and the irreversible change. And so far now I have very much inshallah confident that you might be knowing now what is actually the reversible change. We have discussed in the Zoom session as well. They are the change which can be reversed, or removing their the cause of the change, we can reverse it back to its original thing. So change which can be reversed are considered as an reversible change. Like for example, we have gotten ice. We have taken it out of the refrigerator and we keep it out and it is turning into the water. So but then we have got a capability to make it back into the ice. So such change which can be reversed after removing its cause, so we consider that as a reversal change or reversible change. Fine. Next to that is the irreversible change. As the name suggests, it is that type of a change which is considered as permanent change, because even if it is, the cause is removed, but it still remains in the same position, the actual position which has it attained after a change. Say for example, burning of a paper. When we burn a paper, it turns into a completely new substance, that is an ash, and that is something we cannot revert back, right? So change that cannot be reversed are considered as an irreversible change. So over here you can have an idea that reversible change can be called as an temporary change, because we can change them back again, right? And irreversible change can be considered as a permanent change, because they are some changes which basically cannot be reversed back to its original position. Say for example, we have got growth of a plant. Earlier it was very small, then it turns into a tree. Do you think we can consider get back its small plant? No, it is not possible. Say for example, bursting of a cracker. Earlier it is just in a different shape, and then when it's burst, it's a totally different, and it's a change which is totally permanent, right? And about the reversible change, as I already told, there are certain changes which we can remove, like which can be returned to its original shape and the position. Melting of ice is there, inflation of tires is there, melting of butter is there. So altogether there are a number of changes which can be reversed, and there are a number of changes which cannot be reversed. Those which we can reverse are known as reversible change or temporary change, and which we cannot repeat, or which we cannot reverse, or considered as a permanent change or the irreversible change. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.